Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer USDT from Binance to MetaMask. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will open your MetaMask account, and now that you're here, you will just have to select a network. So click this drop down menu right here and select your um, desired network. And once you've chosen your desired network, you will just have to click receive, and then you will basically just have to copy the wallet address that you've chosen. And then what you will have to do next is you will open your Binance account, and of course you do have to make sure that you've already logged into your account. So yeah, by the way, you should see a wallet feature or option here. So it really depends on your layout. So once you see the wallet section here, you will just have to click that and then click withdraw and then choose USDT. Then you will paste the address that we've copied here earlier, and then you will just have to select the network and enter the amount and then submit. And then you will complete the 2FA and wait for the confirmation. And yeah, that's basically just it. And then you will just have to check your MetaMask balance. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.